Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 11T, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So obviously you will want to open up settings at the beginning. From here select about phone, and below you should see factory reset. From here this basically lets you know that factory resetting removes basically things like accounts, contacts, photos, videos, apps, SD card data. That's kind of incorrect, but yeah, anyway, from here we can select erase all data, and also if you want to back up your device you have the option right here. Obviously if you want to keep anything, do back it up beforehand, and if you don't want to keep anything, select factory reset and give it 10 seconds so you are completely aware that this will remove photos, songs, notes, personal data and whatever. And then on the next page what we get, something about backups. So yeah, basically it removes everything, so that's what you need to be aware of. And once you click on OK, this will begin the process, which will take a couple minutes, so let it run through. Once it's finished we should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. Okay, and as you can see now the process is finished, then you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.